Hey friends, today I'm unboxing a magnetic USB cable. So this has a quick charge, QC 3.0 new connector, dual-sided connectivity, strong magnet, LED. Some of the features: high-speed charging, magnetic cable, USB to smartphone, 4 times faster charging, the Qualcomm, I think it's Qualcomm 3.0. Regardless of direction, data transmission is possible. Aluminum alloy. Okay, so nylon braided cord, aluminum shell, one-hand operation. Let's check this out. I like the idea of multiple ends that you can just switch in and out, so you don't have to have multiple cords, just the different ends here. So that's kind of a cool idea. So here we have it in the box, out of the box, I guess. Let's check out the cord first, shall we? All right. So it does have like a nylon cord here, and let's see how long it is. Well, it's about 4 feet long. That's a good length. As you can see in this end right here, maybe, come on, focus. Maybe not. It has the 5-pin connector there. And then let's show you the different adapters we have here. If I can get them out of there. Oh my goodness, okay, there's one. There's the other. And there's the last one. Okay, so this one is, I believe, the micro USB. Oh man, that just goes on there. That is a strong magnet. I can almost. So, I guess any way it goes on there is a connection. I'm not sure. Oh yeah. So, I don't know if you guys can see real good there, but that has 4 rings on there. Or maybe, let's see, 1, the middle 1, 2, 3. And that's gonna, no matter which way it goes on there. So you don't have to line them up, just whatever way it goes on there is actually gonna make your contact there. That's pretty cool. So it seems strong enough if you're plugging it in. It's not going to, it's not gonna get stuck in your device, I believe. This is a pretty strong magnet. If I try to pull it straight off, I can't even do it. So I have to bend it off and then take it off. So that's pretty cool. Okay, the second one is, which one? This one's for the iPads and stuff, I believe. What is it called? The Lightning. Oh my goodness. Anyways, that one goes on there too, just like that. I'm gonna have to try these out because we have Apple products and we have Android, and here's the USB-C one. So this is kind of a really good idea. Instead of having to have 3 different cords, you have this with the multiple end attachments, and of course your other end is the just the USB. So pretty excited to check this out. You can grab this from Amazon for about $8. I will leave a link in the description below, and I will be doing a review and a demonstration video soon. I should leave that link below as well. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.